We carry a legacy. We carry a legacy. No one said that freedom's free.
On the ground, march to the cadence. When I'm alone in the flesh, God's got my back. Feet on the ground, minutes to midnight, rising close. Hounds move, devil dogs breathe, the breath of life, purpose reborn unto the ground. Hounds devour as earth consumes and life reclaim reborn. Walking your way. I do Christ's love, peace in my soul remains. Heaven on the way, heaven on the way, heaven on the way. Footsteps on the ground, march to the cadence. When I'm alone in the flesh, God's got my back. God's got my back. God's got my back. Footsteps on the ground, feet on the pavement. When I walk through the city of gold, I know heaven on earth is what I strive. When I find crystalline quartz, amethyst and gold, the treasure of the Lord brings life to those who hear, who feel the flow in the rhyme through rhymes over time. Energy to be Christ-like. When you're 99% and 1% faith, that's what I'm telling you. Plant the seed of the Lord to give the strength to those who hear, feel, and observe. Observe the miracles of Christ above. When you feel the God's love, when you feel God in everything you love, and I can tell you the one time that I'm coming in to the earth is gonna bring peace to all. Then I'm gonna be the one who stays by your side. Hold your hand, walk beside you in the sand every day. This I pray. Footsteps on the ground, march to the cadence. When I'm alone in the flesh, God's got my back.